Today is the travel vlog and I'm on my way to the international airport in Kuala Lumpur and I'm heading back to Bali to see my wife. So stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm checked in already in KLI2 actually, and then I'm gonna tell you the airport seems very quiet, international, because when I was flying there domestically was actually pretty busy, but international seems pretty quiet. However, I wanna show you as always from the airport how does it look like inside. There are some duty-free shops open like this one, but overall the corridors are nearly empty. And over here there's only one duty-free shops with the sweet goods, like what I'm looking for actually. So here we go, I'm gonna find something. Alright, some lovely sweet goods in this bag for the family. And now check this out, the airport situation. On the other side, so many planes actually. Also quite many flights are delayed today, I could say 50%, but mine seems still okay. The pass hour 15:55. Little duty free for the alcohol section and cigarettes, but half closed. Huge chocolate section, which was super popular a long time ago, I remember, is totally closed and nothing is still here. And when you see the huge McDonald's, which is totally closed, and there is no even Starbucks in this airport, that means as the situation of the international visitors is still very small. And you have a main hall. Actually, it's not that many international flights. They are connected actually together with Penang also, and there are actually few in Southeast Asia change for the money changer, and some boutique shops here like a Michael Kors or Lacoste. Here you can find for the last shopping in Malaysia in case. There's supposed to be the Costa also is closed. Basically there is no cafe shop or restaurant here to eat something. And also the sad view of the planes like this one, grounded by AirAsia, unfortunately still. Alright guys, I have to say the terminal and airport international is very quiet. Domestic is quite busy, but the international is very quiet, so I think we have to all wait for another 1, maybe 2 years until the travel gonna come back to the previous stage. Meanwhile, I will see you in the plane. I think so this full booked actually, but the terminals are very quiet. Flight eventually was delayed 1 hour, actually still is. Everybody are waiting, sitting on the floors. However, the crew arrived, so that's the good sign as we're gonna fly today. At least the crew seems having a great time. All the time joking and laughing, that's good. At least something, right? Boarding time, first in the plane today, but delayed 1 hour. Entering the plane. That's the very first today. Hello, how are you? I'm first today, happy days. Alright guys, people are boarding. I'm gonna make a few shots as always, and I see you on my destination.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. times. You and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
Here we go, just landed in Bali, guys. Alright, welcome to Bali. So when you arrive, first thing, money changers, ATM, taxi, companies and stuff like this. And now I'm looking for my wife somewhere because she's waiting for me. Anyways, welcome to Bali. And if you long time ago arrived to Bali, everywhere here will be like so many people waiting around. But there's nobody here because there's so many changes. And they opened the shop. And over there is my wife, Sayang. Welcome to Bali, and here will be the new Starbucks in the future, maybe. Also, I think all the drivers now have to be quiet, so they have a paper if you book them, and the taxi drivers are behind the gate, so definitely not here like, well, it's a little bit different, changed quite a lot. And all the happy people waiting for you to come to Bali and drive you to your hotel destination, or wherever you're coming from. Yo, what's up, brother? Here we go, check this out. Miss Monkey. Hello, Sayang, how are you? Okay, let's go home. Alright guys, so it's next morning actually already. Yesterday I was so tired, I left already after 10 p.m. Most of the places were closed, we just took some takeaway and sleep actually. So, continuation of yesterday's video is today actually. And we are having a breakfast in Sanur where I'm living.
Alright guys, I would like to say thank you so much for those people in Malaysia for the great hospitality that, you know, I couldn't mention one by one. And seems like Damian is so happy back to Malaysia, and then now he's back to Bali. And then I would like to say welcome to Bali for those of you. And yeah, Damian again will show you Bali around and everything, how it is. So yeah, welcome back and please enjoy. It's a beautiful day in Sanur. Having a morning breakfast. Makasih.
Thank you.
Morning breakfast, Sunny.
Morning breakfast.
And yeah, it's windy nowadays in Bali. And yeah, it's very nice to see a bright blue sky, beautiful breeze. So nice.
I will be in Bali in July, probably 3-4 weeks, maybe till end of July, and after that I'm traveling again to different destinations in Southeast Asia. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow as always, now from Bali with my wife. See ya, take care.